Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious spicy chicken pasta. So I'll start by slicing half a white onion. I've washed one red pepper that I'll de-seed and cut into strips. I've washed a few mushrooms and I'll slice those as well. I've got 2 chicken breasts and I'll slice those into thin slices so they'll cook quicker. Now that's all sliced, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm going to season my chicken and I'm going to start with half a teaspoon of ground turmeric powder. Next I'll add 1.5 tablespoons of Cajun spice. A half teaspoon of white pepper. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dried parsley and a teaspoon of dried thyme. And for a little heat I'm going to add a big pinch of hot chili powder. Of course, if you were making this for yourself, then you'd add your own favourite herbs and spices. And lastly, a big pinch of salt. And I just give that all a good stir. To my pan I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. Now that the oil's hot, I'm going to add my chicken strips. I'll just keep it moving under a high to medium heat. I'll wait until all the liquid has evaporated. As you can see, the liquid has left the pan and now I'm going to throw in the sliced onions. I'll allow the onions to cook out a little bit before throwing in the rest of my sliced vegetables. I'll just give that all a good stir. Next I'll add 1 crushed clove of garlic. Now I'm going to add some frozen mixed veg, give it a good stir. I'll turn the heat down and put a lid on. I'm going to add the pasta to a pot of boiling salted water. After 10 minutes of boiling, my pasta's cooked. And now I'll stir my drained pasta into the chicken. And just before serving, I'll stir in a generous helping of sweet chili sauce. And there it is, spicy chicken pasta, easy and quick, but packed with delicious flavours. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.